Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers, and today I'm going to show you how to use the alphabet punch board to create monogrammed cards. This is super easy, and it's just a fun and different way to use the board. Normally you would use just a 3x5 piece of paper and punch out your letters for banners or for posters or whatever, but we're going to make a card with it. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to cut a piece of paper 6 inches wide and 5 inches high. So it's kind of like a mirror image, or double the size of the 3x5 paper. And first what we're going to do is score a line on the 3-inch mark, just right down here. And that's going to help us to know exactly where to line this paper up on the punch board. I'm going to kind of fold it a little bit more and just so that the crease shows up as I'm working with it. Now this punch board is just like several of our other punch boards with the cutting and the punching features, and it comes with a full instruction booklet that tells you how to make all the letters of the alphabet, numbers, a couple of punctuation marks. So we're going to do the R. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be just, first of all, punching and cutting the front panel. This is the front panel of the card, and I need to remember that's my front and this is my top. That's going to help me as I go along. Now for the R, we're going to start by lining this paper up right here with the crease on the number 2 line. So I'm going to slide that in, and I'm just going to punch once here. Then I'm going to flip this over, and again, line that crease line up right on the 2. And same thing, just punch once right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and slide this, let me move this out of the way, into my cutting section up here. And we're going to line it up this way. This is again the top of the card, and this is the outside edge. Here's your crease. So we're going to put that arm down, and that's magnetic, so it will stay down as you're cutting. Here's your blade. This has got the notch in the blade, and you need to make sure that notch goes right in your track as you're cutting. We're going to get rid of this little section right down here, so we're going to start inside that little window and just slide right over. Sorry, let me get my little notch right in there. I'm just going to slide right over. All right, so now you can kind of start to see the R taking shape there. What we're going to do now is we're going to fold this back over so that we can punch the back piece so that it matches the shape of the R, but it's still got the back there where the windows are. So now we're going to just round these corners in this part of the punch here. And then we're going to create the little bump right there. So we're going to slide this with the 2 edges down here and the crease up here into the corner and just punch right there. And now you've got your R. Okay, these are so fun and easy to make, and they're great for if you're giving a gift card. You can slide your gift card in here. You can clip a little bit of money in there. We've got one here that's got a photo inside that kind of peeks through the window. You could write a little message that peeks through the window, or a little sentiment, and you can decorate them with whatever you'd like. So thanks for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Memory Keepers.